Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to create a cartoon animation video in Canva. First, open your web browser. Here, search for canva.com and open its official website. Once you're in, go to the search bar and search for cartoon animation. Once done, hit the enter the key. In the results, you'll find several cartoon animation templates. Go to category and from all categories, click on video. Then, select the dimension of your video to continue. Here, we have different templates that we can use to create our video. Click on the template that you want to use. After that, click on customize this template. Once it's open, you can totally customize it as per your need. Edit the text and change it to whatever you want. Here, you can add your own content. Click on color from the top left and select whatever background color you want. Also, you can change the text color. You can customize all pages of the template. You can change text, background, images, content, and each and everything this template had. Once you're satisfied with it, click on the share button from your top right corner. Then click on download to download this video on your device. Select file type as MP4 video and quality as much as you want. Then click on all pages and select the pages that you want to download. Also, make sure to select the option of save download setting. Once it's all done, click on the download button. After a few seconds, your cartoon animation video will be downloaded, and that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.